Financial management. Create a monthly budget for expenses.
Create a monthly budget for expenses.
Track your spending to save money.
Track your spending to save money.
Invest in stocks for long-term growth.
Invest in stocks for long-term growth.
Save money for future emergencies.
Save money for future emergencies.
Pay off credit card debt quickly.
Pay off credit card debt quickly.
Set up automatic bill payments online.
Set up automatic bill payments online.
Review your bank statements every month.
Review your bank statements every month.
Invest in a retirement savings plan.
Invest in a retirement savings plan.
Start a savings account for education.
Start a savings account for education.
Review insurance policies annually.
Review insurance policies annually.
Plan for future large purchases.
Plan for future large purchases.
Pay your taxes before the deadline.
Pay your taxes before the deadline.
Consult a financial advisor for investments.
Consult a financial advisor for investments.
Build an emergency fund for security.
Build an emergency fund for security.
Save a portion of your income monthly.
Save a portion of your income monthly.
Cut unnecessary expenses from your budget.
Cut unnecessary expenses from your budget.
Donate to charity for tax benefits.
Donate to charity for tax benefits.
Shop during sales to save money.
Shop during sales to save money.
Refinance your mortgage for lower rates.
Refinance your mortgage for lower rates.
Track your financial goals regularly.
Track your financial goals regularly.
Travel and vacation planning. Research destinations for your next vacation.
Research destinations for your next vacation.
Book flights and hotels in advance.
Book flights and hotels in advance.
Plan activities for the trip itinerary.
Plan activities for the trip itinerary.
Pack essentials like clothes and toiletries.
Pack essentials like clothes and toiletries.
Check passport validity before traveling.
Check passport validity before traveling.
Arrange for travel insurance coverage.
Arrange for travel insurance coverage.
Confirm bookings before leaving home.
Confirm bookings before leaving home.
Download maps for offline use.
Download maps for offline use.
Keep copies of important travel documents.
Keep copies of important travel documents.
Learn local customs and etiquette.
Learn local customs and etiquette.
Try local food at popular restaurants.
Try local food at popular restaurants.
Explore tourist attractions in the area.
Explore tourist attractions in the area.
Take a guided tour of the city.
Take a guided tour of the city.
Buy souvenirs for friends and family.
Buy souvenirs for friends and family.
Capture memories with lots of photos.
Capture memories with lots of photos.
Share your travel experiences online.
Share your travel experiences online.
Rest and relax during your vacation.
Rest and relax during your vacation.
Send postcards to friends back home.
Send postcards to friends back home.
Bring back gifts for loved ones.
Bring back gifts for loved ones.
Plan your next trip after returning.
Plan your next trip after returning.
Personal well-being and self-care. Take time for self-care daily. Take time for self-care daily. Practice meditation for mental clarity. Practice meditation for mental clarity. Schedule regular exercise into your routine. Schedule regular exercise into your routine. Eat healthy meals with balanced nutrition. Eat healthy meals with balanced nutrition. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Get enough sleep for better health. Get enough sleep for better health. Take breaks from work to relax. Take breaks from work to relax. Read books for personal growth. Read books for personal growth. Disconnect from technology occasionally. Disconnect from technology occasionally. Practice gratitude to improve mood. Practice gratitude to improve mood. Set personal boundaries to reduce stress. Set personal boundaries to reduce stress. Spend time outdoors for fresh air. Spend time outdoors for fresh air. Visit a spa for relaxation occasionally. Visit a spa for relaxation occasionally. Listen to calming music before sleeping. Listen to calming music before sleeping. Create a calming bedtime routine. Create a calming bedtime routine. Journal your thoughts and feelings regularly. Journal your thoughts and feelings regularly. Declutter your living space for peace. Declutter your living space for peace. Spend time with loved ones frequently. Spend time with loved ones frequently. Laugh often to relieve stress. Laugh often to relieve stress. Pursue hobbies that make you happy. Pursue hobbies that make you happy. Home organization and decluttering. Organize your closet by color. Organize your closet by color. Declutter your homeroom by room. Declutter your homeroom by room. Donate unused items to charity. Donate unused items to charity. Label storage boxes for easier access. Label storage boxes for easier access. Organize kitchen cabinets by category. Organize kitchen cabinets by category. Sort through old documents and shred. Sort through old documents and shred. Create a filing system for important papers. Create a filing system for important papers. Store seasonal items in labeled bins. Store seasonal items in labeled bins. Organize your garage with shelving units. Organize your garage with shelving units. Clean out the attic and basement. Clean out the attic and basement. Arrange books on shelves alphabetically. Arrange books on shelves alphabetically. Create a home inventory for insurance. Create a home inventory for insurance. Set up a charging station for devices. Set up a charging station for devices. Keep counters clear of unnecessary items. Keep counters clear of unnecessary items. Store clothes in vacuum-sealed bags. Store clothes in vacuum-sealed bags. Use drawer organizers for small items. Use drawer organizers for small items. Hang hooks for keys and bags. Hang hooks for keys and bags. Organize the pantry with clear containers. Organize the pantry with clear containers. Keep a donation box for unwanted items. Keep a donation box for unwanted items. Schedule regular decluttering sessions. Schedule regular decluttering sessions. Emergency preparedness. Create an emergency plan for your family. Create an emergency plan for your family. Pack an emergency kit with essentials. Pack an emergency kit with essentials. Store important documents in a safe place. Store important documents in a safe place. Keep a first aid kit in your home. Keep a first aid kit in your home. Know evacuation routes in your area. Know evacuation routes in your area. Practice fire drills with your family. Practice fire drills with your family. Install smoke detectors in every room. Install smoke detectors in every room. Keep emergency contacts easily accessible. Keep emergency contacts easily accessible. Learn basic first aid skills and CPR. Learn basic first aid skills and CPR. Prepare a go bag for emergencies. Prepare a go bag for emergencies. Store extra food and water supplies. Store extra food and water supplies. Charge electronic devices before storms. Charge electronic devices before storms. Review insurance policies for disasters. Review insurance policies for disasters. Stay informed about local emergency alerts. Stay informed about local emergency alerts. Secure heavy furniture to prevent accidents. Secure heavy furniture to prevent accidents. Prepare your home for extreme weather. Prepare your home for extreme weather. Keep a flashlight and batteries handy. Keep a flashlight and batteries handy. Plan for pets in case of evacuation. Plan for pets in case of evacuation. Discuss emergency plans with neighbors. Discuss emergency plans with neighbors.